Hello again, everybody. Welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 60.
Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton.
Serial number of the box is NE189452019. That's NE189452019. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go. So we start off with the base card for the Senators of Jason Spezza. Number 68 out of 249, Jason Spezza. We have a auto rookie patch, level 1, card number 142, short print number to 249 of Stefan Elliott. Stefan Elliott. Pretty sure he's on Colorado. I'll just double check at the end, but I'm pretty sure. We have an awesome hit here for Dallas. It's a limited logos card of Ed Belfour, 35 out of 50. Pretty sweet looking patch. Ed Belfour for the Stars. And we have a Trios jersey card for the Penguins of Marc-Andre Fleury, Evgeny Malkin, and Jordan Staal. 14 out of 25. And we have an autographed rookie for the Flyers of Kevin Marshall, 77 out of 199. And then to finish it off, we have a base card for the Penguins of Mario Lemieux, 223 out of 249. So let me just double check on the rookie card redemption. I'm pretty sure it is Colorado. I just want to double check. One second. Yeah, just to confirm, the Upper Deck website, the checklist. Here's the Cup Rookies Auto Patch Level 1. You see there, card number 142 of Stefan Elliott. The card goes to the Avalanche. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching, and hope to see you again next time.